Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel. So in today's video we will talk about wrapper classes. So first we will discuss what are wrapper classes and why do we need wrapper classes, or we can say what are the benefits of wrapper classes. And two more terms are there, auto boxing and auto unboxing. So first let's start with the wrapper class. As we all know, Java provides us 8 primitive data types, right? So what are those 8 primitive data types? Byte, short, int, long, float, double, then char, boolean. So these are 8 primitive data types, right? And each primitive data type has its corresponding class. For byte, this byte is the class. For short primitive, short is the class. For int primitive, integer class. For long, this L is small and this will be capital. For float, again float is there. For double, this class. For char type, character, right? And for boolean, again the boolean will be there, right? So first letter of the class will be capital. Fine. So these are the classes corresponding to the each primitive data type, and these classes are called wrapper classes. So these are wrapper classes which are defined in which package? Lang package, java.lang package. So these wrapper classes are defined in lang package, right? Now what is the need of wrapper classes? If data types are there, so what is the need of wrapper classes and when do we use it? See, as we know, the Java is an object oriented programming language. So most of the time it expects the object, right? But in place of object, if you give the primitive data type, then in earlier version it showed errors. See, in Java, every time the new versions comes, after a few months or a year, new versions come. Like the first version was 1.1, then 1.2, 1.3 with some additional features, right? So what, and wrapper classes is not a new concept. So in earlier version, wrapper classes were used to convert primitive value into the object. Okay, I am explaining this with the help of example. For example, take any function or method ABC. ABC is a method, and suppose this method accepts object as a parameter, right? But in place of object, if I give primitive value, it is expecting object, but if I provide primitive value 20, then this function will show us error in the version up to 1.4. JDK 1.4 तक के version में it will show you error. After 1.4 means 1.5 onwards, it will not show you error, right? Because 1.5 onwards version में क्या होगा? Automatically this primitive value will be converted into object. But earlier version में ऐसा नहीं होता था. It showed error. तो ये that will be considered as invalid in earlier version. Earlier version कब तक? 1.4, JDK 1.4 तक, Java 1.4 version तक, ठीक है? तो 1.4, 1.5, after 1.8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, latest version is 18. कितना version changes आ रहा है, right? तो additional on a frequent basis additional features are added into Java. तो पहले up to 1.4 ये invalid दिखाता था, fine? So invalid को valid करने के लिए we used wrapper class. तो wrapper class का क्या function हुआ? इसको valid कैसे बनाएंगे? It is expecting object, but we are passing primitive value, right? So we need to convert this primitive value into the integer or object. हमें क्या करना है? ये primitive value है, which type? int. int को integer में convert करना है. और इंट को इंटीजर में और यू कैन से प्रिमिटिव वैल्यू को ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए, रैपर क्लास. एंड हाउ आई एम राइटिंग दैट. So how we will write that? Integer I equals to new integer 20. So what we have done, we have used primitive value 20 here and we have converted this primitive value into the object. I क्या है? Object. Right? Now I can use ABC and I can pass this I. So I is the object, right? So we have passed object here and ABC was also expecting object. So now this is valid in earlier version. Latest version में तो ये भी valid है, उस point पे बाद में आएंगे, ठीक है. अभी इसको valid बनाने के लिए हम wrapper class का use करते थे, ठीक है, in earlier version. I hope it is clear. Now why we call it wrapper? तो wrapper class ने क्या किया? Wrapper class wraps the primitive value like this. 20 primitive value था. Wrapper class ने क्या किया? Wraps the primitive value. ये int है और उसको किस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया? इंटीजर. तो आफ्टर रैपिंग क्या हो गया वो? ऑब्जेक्ट. So wrapper classes convert int into integer, or we can say wrapper classes convert primitive data type into object. So now we can use 20 primitive data type as an object, right? So 20 जो primitive data type था, अब उसको हम object की form में कहीं भी use कर सकते हैं. तो wrapper classes का first need क्या था? To wrap primitive data type into its corresponding object. ठीक है. So into so that the primitive value can be used as an object. I hope this point is clear. Fine. Now the second need of the wrapper class is, see, this is a class, and class we can say it is a collection of methods. So it must be having some methods. So to use those methods we need wrapper class. So each wrapper class has several utility methods for its respective data type. For example, integer है, integer wrapper class है, तो उसमें कुछ utility methods होंगे because it is a collection of method. तो उसमें कुछ inbuilt utility methods हैं which can be used or which we need to use for the primitive data type. For example, if I say I want to convert 20 primitive data type into string. I want to convert 20 primitive data type into string. ठीक है. तो हमें क्या यूज करना होगा इसके लिए? We have to use a method toString, and toString where it is defined? It is defined in integer wrapper class. Fine. So how will I write that? Integer dot toString, and I will pass 20 in this, and it will return what? String s. So what we have done? We have converted primitive value 20 into the string by using the function toString which is defined in wrapper class integer. So second use क्या कर रहे हैं? We are using the utility methods present in wrapper classes. This is the second need of wrapper class. I am taking one more example like string s equals to 157. ठीक है. Now I need to convert this string into the integer. So again I need a method which is defined in wrapper class. So which method? That is also defined in integer wrapper class. Integer dot parse int. Right? And in that I will pass s. So parse int, what is the use of parse int? Parse int will convert string which I have passed here into the integer. So 157 जो एक string था नंबर की फॉर्म में, इंटीजर की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट होगा एंड वी विल असाइन इन इंट a. Fine. Again we have used the method present in wrapper class integer. Same way you can use any other, like one more string is there, string s1 equals to 78.57, right? So if I want to convert this string into double, so how will I write? Double dot parse double, and in that I will pass again string and I will assign in double a1, right? So to use these methods we need wrapper classes, right? So there are the two benefits of wrapper class. First one is to wrap primitive data type into its corresponding object, or simply we can say to convert the primitive data value into the object first. And the second is wrapper class provides various utility methods for its respective data type. So to use these methods we use the wrapper class. Fine. I hope it is clear now. Now I will come to that point. If we pass the primitive value in place of object in latest version, it will not show any error. Why so? So let's discuss now. So now we will see what is auto-boxing term. So first let's see the definition. Auto-boxing means implicit conversion of primitive value to respective object. So there is a implicit, no, we don't have to write explicitly anything, it is a implicit, automatically convert हो जाएगा आपका primitive value to the respective object. That's why I said that in latest version means after 1.5 version, when you pass the primitive value at the place where the object was expected, so it will not show any error. But जो earlier version थे वहाँ पे क्या था, error दिखाता था. तो उस केस में हमें क्या करना पड़ता था, रैपर क्लास से रैप करना पड़ता था प्रिमिटिव वैल्यू को, मीन्स उसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ता था ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म में, देन वी यूज दैट. बट इन वर्जन्स आफ्टर 1.5 इट डजंट शो एनी एरर. व्हाई सो? बिकॉज देयर इज एन इम्प्लिसिट कन्वर्जन, वो खुद से कन्वर्ट हो जाता है आपका प्रिमिटिव वैल्यू जो हमने पास किया है टू द रिस्पेक्टिव ऑब्जेक्ट, वो खुद से ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. अगर हमने इंट दिया है वो खुद से इंटीजर ऑब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, डबल वैल्यू दी है तो डबल में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. दिस टर्म इज कॉल्ड ऑटो बॉक्सिंग. तो कहाँ कहाँ कन्वर्जन होता है, लेट्स सी. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अराइज, देन हाउ दिस पॉसिबल, हु डू ऑल दीज कन्वर्जन्स? इफ यूजर इज नॉट डूइंग एक्सप्लिसिटली, हु विल डू? Java compiler. So Java compiler applies auto boxing when a primitive value is, Java compiler करता है ये सब conversion automatically. कब करता है? In two cases. First, when the primitive value is passed as a parameter to a method that expects an object of the corresponding wrapper class. What does it mean? So when we pass when the primitive value, कोई भी function है, let it be ABC method function, so when the primitive value is passed as a parameter to a method, so हमने suppose यहाँ 20 दिया, pass as a parameter to a method that expects an ABC, क्या expect कर रहा था? Object, but हमने क्या pass किया? 20, so it will not show any error, will not show error. कौन से वर्जन? आफ्टर 1.5. आफ्टर 1.5 वर्जन में कोई भी एरर नहीं दिखाई देगा. क्यों नहीं दिखाई दिया? बिकॉज उसमें ऑटो बॉक्सिंग आ गया, न्यू टर्म. ठीक है, ऑटो बॉक्सिंग ने क्या किया? ऑटो बॉक्सिंग विल कन्वर्ट इम्प्लिसिटली कन्वर्ट primitive value into the object. ठीक है, वो इम्प्लिसिटली कन्वर्ट एक्चुअली में कौन करता है, कंपाइलर, राइट। एंड द सेकेंड इज, एक तो इस केस में ऑटोमेटिकली कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा जब पैरामीटर हम प्रिमिटिव वैल्यू दे रहे हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट बिकॉज द मेथड वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग ऑब्जेक्ट. Now the second is when you assign to a variable of the corresponding wrapper class. जब primitive value is assigned to a variable of the corresponding wrapper class, means आपने लिया integer i wrapper class, ठीक है, wrapper class का object बना i और उसमें तुम पास कर रहे हो कोई भी primitive value 30, तो will it show error? No. Why? Because when we assign primitive value into the wrapper class object, then again automatically it will be converted into the object. And who will convert? Again the compiler will convert. क्या करता है actually compiler? Compiler, just suppose ये है आपका implicitly, ये कुछ हमें कोड नहीं लिखना है, वो compiler कैसे convert करता है? I'm going to show that. So 30 को कैसे लिख देगा compiler? Integer dot value of 30, ठीक है, and then it will be converted into integer i. So 30, this statement will be replaced by this statement, ठीक है, कहाँ, internally compiler will do that, right, that will not be visible. तो 30 को कैसे किससे रिप्लेस करता है कंपाइलर? इंटीजर डॉट वैल्यू ऑफ, वैल्यू एक फंक्शन है विच इज डिफाइंड इन इंटीजर रैपर क्लास, और क्या यूज है वैल्यू ऑफ का? टू कन्वर्ट दिस प्रिमिटिव वैल्यू इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑटोमेटिकली हमें लगता है, लेकिन कंपाइलर उसे इंटरनली कर देता है, ठीक है, 30 को ऑब्जेक्ट में, एंड ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी असाइंड इनटू आई, राइट. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ऑटो बॉक्सिंग दो केसेस में होता है, व्हेन यू पास द प्रिमिटिव वैल्यू एज अ parameter where the object was expected, and the second when you assign the primitive value into the object. So there is no need to do any explicit conversion, वो implicit हो जाएगा. That's why we call it auto boxing, right? Now we will see the another term, auto unboxing. So now let's see auto unboxing. So what is auto unboxing? It refers to implicit conversion of objects to their respective equivalent primitive data types. Just reverse of auto boxing. Auto boxing में क्या होता था? It was expecting object and we were passing primitive data type, right? और इसमें क्या होगा? It was expecting primitive data type and we passed object. So again it will not show error automatically. The object which we have passed will be converted into primitive data type, right? So the compiler applies auto unboxing when an object of a wrapper class is, वो same cases हैं. First, when the object is passed as a parameter to a method that expects a value of corresponding primitive type, means कि any function which was expecting the primitive data type but we passed their object. ऑब्जेक्ट है तो फर्स्ट लेट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इंटीजर i इक्वल्स टू न्यू इंटीजर 20. दिस फंक्शन वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग प्रिमिटिव वैल्यू, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 20, बट वी हैव पास्ड i is the object, right? So again it will not show error because again object will be converted into the primitive value, and who will convert that? Compiler. So this is called auto unboxing when the object is converted into the primitive data type. Second example, if I assign, second written here, when the object is assigned to a variable of the corresponding primitive type, means we have taken a primitive type like int x, but we are passing here I, right? So I is object and x is primitive variable, right? The variable which is of primitive data type. So it was expecting the primitive value like 20, 30 integer, but we are passing here the object. So again it will not show the error because the compiler will automatically convert this object into the primitive value. So again I am going to show you how the compiler will convert. So compiler will convert this statement I dot int value. No need to write this is just for understanding how the compiler converts this object into the primitive value, right? not important from examination point of view, just for the sake of understanding and telling this. So how the compiler will convert this object into the primitive value by using the function I. So this statement will be replaced with the this statement by the compiler. So I dot int value, fine, and I dot int value will return the integer which will be assigned in x, fine. So this statement will be replaced by this internally by the compiler. So I hope you have understood. So at the last, let's summarize whatever we have studied. So through this diagram, so I am writing here primitive data type or primitive value, and here wrapper class object, wrapper class object, fine. So primitive value will be converted into the wrapper class object implicitly or automatically, and this is called auto boxing. So in auto boxing, primitive data type is converted into the wrapper class object implicitly, and wrapper class object implicitly converted into the primitive data type, this is called auto unboxing. So through this diagram, I hope you have understood the concept. So I have tried my level best to explain you the concept of wrapper class. If still any doubt is there, you can write me in the comment box. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.